So today we got a review on this chainsaw. I'll show you what's going on in this thing, but yeah, I bought it off Amazon. This thing, check it out. But before we do this, smash the thumbs up button and subscribe and do all of that stuff. Maybe notifications on. I'll leave it on, hopefully. So yeah, we got our chainsaw. And there's the bar and it says chainsaw, and then there's the actual chain. It comes with a few chains with it. I bought it on Amazon. And it came with this safety bar. And it's like a guard. So yeah, when you want to run it doesn't have the battery in it, but when you run it, you need to click in that button and then hold it in and then click on the trigger. And that is how you do it. So I'm just gonna open the thing up and see and show you. And then we're gonna do cutting after. So, how do I hold this? I'll just put it between my knees. Wait, I'm just gonna do it the other way. Probably don't want, okay. And there we go, we got it off. Got the bolt off. Now it's time. It's all full of sawdust and stuff. It's because I already tested it. But yeah, that's the attached to the motor thingy, and then there's the chain that goes spinning. Yep. So I'm gonna put the thing back on, and then we'll try this out. And the battery is also fully charged, and it is 21 volts. It also came with a screwdriver to tighten up the chain, some sharpeners for the chain, and gloves, big gloves that don't even fit me. So we're just gonna slide in the battery. Wait, I need to pause it. And now it is time to get cutting. So I'm just gonna put the chainsaw right here for a sec, and then I'll show you from right here. Actually, wait. I'm just gonna set it down right here. That's good. And now let's get straight into the cutting. So here I am, and now let's start by cutting. Sawdust on there. I'm gonna start by cutting a little chunk. Demonstration and review, and look at that. Look at them cuts. And I'm selling them out there. And here's the wood slices I've gotten so far. So yeah. Bye-bye, people. Peace out.